My name is Siddharth. I'm from Delhi Technological University and I'm currently in my senior year.
I'm Aditya1701. I'm from D2. I'm in my fourth year, basically last year. I'm doing BTech from D2 CS.
How long have you been in corporate programming?
I have been doing competitive programming for about 5 years now. Started in mid 11th standard. Yeah.
I've been doing for 2.5 years, like started from the second year.
What do you think about CodeChef SnackDown?
So I guess CodeChef SnackDown is one of the most prestigious competitions that we have in India, and I'm like we are really looking forward to tomorrow's competition.
So yeah, basically if you have see competition after ICPC, SnackDown is what it stands for basically. So yeah, it's a big competition and I'm looking forward to it.
Would you like to come back next year to SnackDown?
Yeah,
Yeah,
sure.
of course.
We would like to come back to SnackDown then.
What is the thing which attracts you the most about this contest?
Basically the challenges we have, like the participation team from all over India, all over the world participates, and then you have to be in the top 100 to qualify for here. That's the biggest thing to do.
Yeah, like it's the competition is among teams from within India and as well as from outside India. So I guess it's very good exposure for us.
And basically there's no age limit, so every candidate, like in ICPC there's an age limit for college, but here anyone can participate, so that's a bigger challenge platform to say.
So, what would you like to say to the viewers here who haven't yet participated in the SnackDown contest but can do so next year?
Well, what we do is practice, practice, and practice. So that's the only way you can improve your competitive programming. I guess if you want to be here, just practice well.
Like, of course, basically this is a very big platform, and for this you have to work hard and you have to keep practicing, giving contests regularly on sites and doing questions, learning new stuffs. So yeah, it's a big challenge, but yeah, you can do that.
Final question. How do you think these contests? Do you think these contests like CodeChef SnackDown help the community grow?
Yeah, obviously these contests give us exposure, as I said earlier. So they do help us grow, and then like as we grow, we give more to the community, and the community grows as a whole.
And the competitive nature brings more, like people are more learning, basically they want to achieve this, so due to the competition learning is increasing and everyone is getting more exposure to this platform.
Yeah, like there's obviously healthy competition within teams and everything. So yeah, everyone learns.
For India, basically competitive programming stands for job placements. Okay, you always start doing it for jobs, basically everyone is doing for jobs, but
No,
if
that's not true.
most of them are doing for the jobs.
Yeah, yeah,
But
that is right. Most of the people do it for jobs, but
yeah, for this culture basically to proceed, like you have to have the interest in the competitive programming, and so these things, Snackdown, ICBC, these increases the culture basically and gives motivation to you. You can do something, you can achieve something. So yeah, it diverges the path from going for the placement to learning something new.
yeah, because for placements you don't need the level of knowledge you require for participating in these competitions. So this is just pure passion which you need to get here.
Do you think, or rather, why do you think companies test people on algorithms when they are shortlisting candidates?
Well,
Basically,
I guess it's a sort of a foolproof way to test that yeah the person can do do work which requires certain level of intellect, and this is obviously data structures and algorithms is something which you just can't learn by heart and use that knowledge without having the certain intellect. You can't make like you can't work with that knowledge to that extent if you um
not getting the word.
uh
If you mug up,
Yeah, basically that's what I mean. If you mug things up, you can't perform very well. Like, these competitions require you to apply your brain, think from scratch, and solve problems. And if you're good at solving problems, obviously this gives you a credibility that yeah, you are good at problem solving. So companies do look for that in you.
Basically, they can check your ideas, like how you think about the question. Basically,
Yeah.
how good is your programming skill? Basically, how good is your problem solving? They just need that if the person could grab concepts and solve the problem by the concepts he has, new problems, then he can solve other problems in the company in future. So that's a parameter they see.